Okay. Namaskar everyone. கொஞ்சம் லேட் ஆயிட்டதுக்கு சாரி. virtual class student ஒருத்தவங்க பின்னாங்கல இருந்து வந்தாங்க. அவங்க கிட்ட வந்து பாபாய் சொல்லிட்டு அப்பதான் அவங்களை வந்து பார்க்கிறேன். She came to for Batu Caves class. I'm looking forward to see all of you in physical class one day. Okay? Okay, go to your man. Stretch your legs forward. Right leg over your left leg, pull in. Hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for yourself. For the practice of yoga. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting healthier and happier day by day. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting calm and peaceful. Through the practice of yoga, you are spreading love, light, peace and harmony to the world. Inhale, exhale. Be here. Be at the present moment and tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for your well-being. Inhale, exhale. Open your eyes, stretch your legs forward. We will start off with Padmasana. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, forward. Exhale towards your body. Now for your ankle, inhale, forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, forward. Exhale towards your body. Legs apart, toes pointed at each other. Inhale, rotate all the way to the side. Exhale, back to the center. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, center. The other way around. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Align back your legs. Place your palms on your knees. Engage your kneecap. Bring your heels up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now bring the soles of your legs together. Move your knee up and down. Titadiyasana butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place your elbow on your upper thigh. Inhale, hit up. Exhale, push your knee down. Go all the way down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down again. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Stretch your legs forward. Now interlock your fingers under your right knee. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, place on your left thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up to your knee. Now place your right palm on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release. Hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, down, straighten. Now interlock your fingers under your left knee. Inhale, up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale, place on your right thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up to your knee. Place your left palm on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Right leg over your left leg. Pull in. Stretch your hands forward. Inhale, palms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Thumbs on your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale all the way up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, pull, look up. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale, forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Once again, inhale up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, pull, look up. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale, forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Release. Now for your neck. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Back to the center. To the left. Center. Tilt to the right. Center. To the left. Center. Lastly, eyeball exercise. Now bring your thumb up. All the way down. Center. To the right. Center. To the left. Center. To the tip of your nose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. To the space in between your eyebrow. Look up. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. Release. Up. Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Imagine like there is a tiny sun at your navel point. Imagine like the tiny sun is moving up to your eyebrow center. When the tiny sun is moving up, it's spreading yellow color light throughout your body. The yellow color light is now spread 6 feet around you. The yellow color light is giving you warmth and protection. Now imagine like the tiny sun is moving back to your navel point, your Manipura chakra. It's energizing your Manipura chakra. Right now, you are directly connected to the sun. You are fully energized to do Surya Namaskar. Before you start, thank the nature, thank the universe, thank all your teachers, gurus and mahants, thank your fellow practitioners, thank yourself, thank your body for the opportunity to practice yoga. Open your eyes. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way forward and behind. Exhale all the way down. Now bring your right leg behind, your right toes flat. Inhale, open up your chest, look up. Both your hands down. Left leg behind. Push your shoulders in. Exhale, mountain pose. Now stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring both your knees down, your chest down, and your chin down. Ashtangasana. Hold your breath. Inhale up, Bhujangasana, up until your navel point. Exhale, Shashankasana, sit on your heels. Inhale, Marjariyasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring both your knees down, your chest down, and your chin down. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring both your knees down, your chest down, and your chin down. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring both your knees down, your chest down, and your chin down. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring both your knees down, your chest down, and your chin down. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Last round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Then Ashtanga Surya Namaskar is Samastitihi. Inhale up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump up. Good, Gangeshwaran, very good progress. Inhale, upward facing, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay one, inhale, exhale. Deep inhalation and exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, head down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Second round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump up. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay one, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, head down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Third round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump up. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay one, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, head down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Fourth round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Stay one, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samastitihi. And last round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, hit up. Bend your knees, jump out. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B, Samastitihi. Utkatasana. Go down, touch. Come up. Exhale, hit down completely. Inhale, hit up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaduranga. Devasiroshini, elbow close to your body. Elbow close to your body. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Utkatasana. Go down, touch, come up. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, hit up. Bend your knees, jump out. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Stay 1. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, hit up. Bend your knees, jump out. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Sugi sister, பின்னாடி கால் வந்து flat வைங்க. பின்னாடி கால் வந்து flat. Your feet flat. Knee, heel to the side, heel to the side. Correct. Now lift both your hands up. Correct. Now you will be very stable. Exhale, body down. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down. Chaduranga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Two, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch. Come on. Exhale, hit down completely. Inhale, hit up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Dineshwari, வாங்க செய்யுங்க. Come follow. Correct. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Deep inhalation and exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Exhale, hit down. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastitihi. Please relax, sit down. Now. Okay. See, remember the other day I actually asked if you all have any requests of asanas that you all want me to do. One of you asked for asana related to the hamstring flexibility from the back of your knee. If இது வந்து tight இருந்துச்சுன்னா it will be hard for you to straighten your leg. But that does not, it involves a few things. So later we will see what are the things, what are the asanas that you can work on for the flexibility of your hamstring, hamstring, thigh, as well as we will also work, see, the forward bending எல்லாமே, it also involves the lower back order stretch. So we will do a few asanas, and as well as for the flexibility of this part behind your knee. இதுவும் வந்து we will do all, we will look into asana for the flexibility. Easier சொல்லணும்னா for you to do forward bending and for you to straighten your knee. What are the asanas that you can work on? But before we go to that asana, I actually just now we were discussing in the previous class, we were actually discussing about judging people and all. Modella but gives the second class la, we were discussing about being judgmental, judging people. So I actually, maybe with some of you I have shared before, but I think most of you I've not shared about this. This is about a student I had some time ago. So I was sharing in the previous class. I'll just share with all of you. இது வந்து I think this happened 4-5 years ago, the early days of me teaching. See, now it is different. As I teach more, as I see more people, the way I look at students, idana kattu kodutha konja nalle I've already have had this thought. The way I look at students was different, but this was the initial stage. If there's a student who comes to class, there will be, if 20 students, out of 20, everyone will be smiling. One person, if that person is just staring at me or the face is not good, attention la enga irukum, and stare பண்றவங்க மேல தான் இருக்கும். அவ்வளவு பேர் சிரிச்சிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. We won't be looking at those. See, இதுதான் வந்து human being ஓட character. We won't be grateful for the good things that happen, but we will concentrate more on what is not good there. So நான் வந்து மைண்ட்ல, ஓ நம்ம ஒழுங்கா கத்து கொடுக்கலையோ, இந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்மள பிடிக்கலையோ, that's what I will be thinking that. But after some time I realized that those who come, especially with the sky here is very beautiful. I can't show, but let me see whether idhula theriyala. I have got a very beautiful view here. நீங்களும் அழகான வியூ, அதே மாதிரி இங்க உள்ள முன்னுக்குள்ள ஸ்காயும் வந்து அழகான வியூ. Okay, I'll continue. Okay, so like that. So I realized that I should not, each person who come with and the face which is like, sometimes they look stressed, they don't look happy and things like that. Most of the time it's not that they are not happy with us, but they themselves have some issues at home and all, and they came there to find a solution. நம்ம மூலியமா ஏதாச்சும் இந்த யோகா பிராக்டிஸ் மூலியமா ஏதாச்சும் சொல்யூஷன் கிடைக்குமா அப்படின்னு நினைச்சுதான் வருவாங்க. So it's that is when I அதுக்கு after some time I realized that, and I always try to give my level best, so that at least that 1-2 hours they will be very happy there and go back home with a better emotion, they feel better. So I had this one student who came to class. When she came, see, this what I am saying is you should not do what I did. Okay, what I did, there was this one student who came, she had a very short hair. She அந்த முடி டை பண்ணிருந்ததே வந்து கொஞ்சம் வேற மாதிரி டை பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. வேற மாதிரினா கொஞ்சம் டஷாட்டா டை பண்ணிருந்தாங்க, கலரா டை பண்ணி, கலர்ல ஓகே கொஞ்சம் டஷாட்டா டை பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. Okay, then she also, the way she dressed up also was like very bright and things like that. So when I looked at her, இந்த girl நம்ம கிளாஸ்க்கு வருதா, see, and the first thought that came to my mind was like that, like I judged her. But after that, okay, she came to class and all. She was in the class, she was very brave compared to the rest. Whenever I want to teach, whenever I teach any asana, she will be the first person who will come in front. She will be the first person who wants to do asanas and all. She won't be scared. But the word that she used in class, I didn't really like it. She will always say, என்ன செத்தா போயிட போறேன் நான் வந்து செய்யறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி வருவாங்க. The way what she will say, I won't die doing this asana, I want to come in front and do this asana. So I was not happy with the way, with the word that she said. So after class I called her. I said, இந்த நீ யூஸ் பண்ற வேர்ட் வந்து நல்லா இல்ல, இதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த மாதிரி பேசாத, you shouldn't be talking like this. She said sorry, okay okay akka, sorry akka and all that. Then after that she actually said, actually ஏன் வந்து அவங்க அந்த மாதிரி ட்ரெஸ் அப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, முடியெல்லாம் டை பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து she actually had cancer. Then she went for chemo and all. She slowly, she at that time she already recovered. So to give herself that motivation to come up once again, she did all those things. She dyed her hair, she bought new clothes, bright clothes, so that she will have that motivation to start back life once again. So I felt at that time, I felt very bad for judging her because of her. Although it was just for a while, but yet I judged her. என்ன அந்த பிள்ளை எப்படி சட்டை போட்டுக்கு இப்படி முடி வச்சிருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு சொல்லி judge பண்ணிட்டேன். But actually, and the reason why she always say I'm not going to die if I do this asana, it's because she has actually come out from a big disease. இந்த லைஃபே எடுக்க முடியற ஒரு டிசீஸ்ல இருந்தே அவங்க ரிகவர் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துட்டாங்க. So what is asana? For sure asana I can do. அந்த மாதிரி அவ்வளவு பெரிய விஷயத்துல இருந்து I have come out. So of course I can do asana. அந்த மாதிரி, that's what she meant. So that is the thing. So நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னா, we should not be judging anyone based on their facial expression, the way people dress up, முடி டை பண்ணிருக்காங்களா என்ன, இட்ஸ் ஆல் இட்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப இண்டிவிஜுவலான ஒரு விஷயம். we do not judge anyone according to any of it at all. Let's say a friend comes to work today, all of a sudden, all this while they have never put on makeup. Today you come with a lot of makeup, modern clothes, tight clothes and all, then we will laugh at them or say, pass some remarks that may, for us it sounds funny, but for them it may be very hurting. But we never know, maybe the night before they had some arguments at home, or they had something happen which life events நடந்திருக்கலாம், where they felt suicidal or they felt like life is over, but they want to come out of it and they do all these things. நீங்க எப்பவுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா, those who buy new set of clothes, those who change their hairstyle, are people who wants to do something for themselves to make them feel good. So never ever go and pass any comments which is not good. Even if you see you don't feel like it looks good, no need to say anything. If they ask you எப்படி இருக்கேன், okay நல்லா இருக்கீங்க, அவ்வளவு சொன்னா போதும். Of course you shouldn't be lying, but at the same time போயிட்டு hurt பண்ணவும் தேவை இல்லை. So if you have got nothing good to say, don't say anything at all. Okay, if you smile at someone, then that person doesn't smile back, அதோட பாரு நான் சிரிச்சேன், சிரிக்க கூட இல்லை, யாருமே உங்களை சிரிக்க சொல்லல, நீங்களே சிரிச்சுட்டு அப்புறம் சிரிக்கலன்னு சொல்லி நம்ம எதுவுமே சொல்லக்கூடாது. We never know, some people may be looking at us, but in their mind there may be a lot of things going in their mind. If you feel like smiling, you smile. If that person doesn't smile back, it's okay, you have done your part. Do not judge anyone at all. Just felt like sharing because we were speaking about it in the previous class. Okay, today we will do asanas related to hamstring flexibility and how to straighten your knee when you are doing asanas. Okay, then last we will do one asana for this particular, the hamstring stretch பண்றதுக்கு அதுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆசனா செய்வோம். We will do many preparatory asanas, then we will have one main asana later. The first asana that we are going to do is Trikonasana. Trikonasana is actually a very basic asana, but somehow we rarely do asanas like this. Okay, how do we do Trikonasana? You will open up your legs 4 to 5 feet apart. முகம் தெரியல, பரவாயில்ல, மாடல் இவங்க தான் மாடல். ஓகே, கட்சினி தான் மாடல். ஓகே, You will open up your legs 4 to 5 feet apart. Right leg to the right, left leg inwards. What is very important here is for you not to bend your knee. Knee must be straight. Then stretch out your hands. Okay. Then from this position, you will go down straight. Body will go down straight. Let's say this is my most comfortable position. I will stay here. Then let's say I can go lower. You will go down, hold your big toe. Or you can also bring your hand behind. Okay, let's say for now my hand is not flat yet. You can cup your fingers like this. Then you will look up. What is important here is for you to align your shoulders with each other and look up at your hand. This is Trikonasana. If you are working on your hamstring flexibility, you stay here for 15 to 30 counts. Okay, come up. Okay, open up your legs 3 to 5 feet apart. Hands to the side. Inhale, right leg to the right, left leg inwards. Inhale, exhale, go down. Don't bend your knees, knees straight. Okay. Make sure that your shoulders are aligned with each other. The hip bone must be facing forward. When you bring this forward, you will feel the stretch. Look up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dineshwari, look up. 6. Look up at your hand. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Now left leg to the left. Stretch your hands out. Left leg to the left. Right leg inwards. Inhale, exhale, go down. Stay. 1, 2. Align your shoulders with each other. Check your hip. Hip must be ரெண்டு bone முன்னுக்கு இருக்கணும். 3, 4, 5, 6. மேனகா கீழ உள்ள knee bent இருக்கு. Straighten your knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Okay. Okay, bring both your legs together. Okay, go sideways. Right, this side. Okay, the next one is Uttanasana. Okay, Uttanasana, forward bending asana. Okay, what we will do, you will lift both your hands up together. Exhale, go down. Okay, okay, dear. Okay, now you will hold your elbow. Okay, from this position, you will pull yourself down. Okay, okay, dear. Pull yourself lower. See, do not bring your forehead to your knee, but pull yourself lower. Pull yourself lower. Pull yourself lower. Okay, this one now we will stay for 15 counts, but at home when you're doing, stay for 30 counts to 1 minute every day. You will, the hamstring or the flexibility very fast, you will, it will become flexible. Okay, go. Inhale, come up, bring both your hands up. Okay, exhale, go down, all the way down as much as possible. Okay, now hold your elbow, pull yourself down. The elbow pull down, pull yourself down. Stay. 1, 2, lower. You will feel the stretch on your hamstring. Engage your kneecap. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that you are not bending your knees. 9, 10, 11. Shakit, engage your kneecap. 12, 13, 14, 15. Vaishnavi, very good. Inhale, come up. Now we will do Parshva Uttanasana. Parshva Uttanasana, you will open up your legs 3 to 4 feet. Okay. Then from this position, model Trikonasana Madri, right leg to the right. Oh Muruga. Sorry. Okay. Right leg to the right, left leg inwards. Then turn your body towards the right side. Then do reverse namaskar. Okay, how do we do reverse namaskar? I will show here. Reverse namaskar na, okay, both your hands stretch out. Then from here, from the bottom, you will do namaskar. Then you will lift up as much as possible. Okay, see, now my palms are open. How do I bring them together? Open up your elbows sideways. Then your palms will come together. Lift it as high as possible. Like this. Like that. Okay. From the bottom, tip of your fingers together, then move them up. Okay. 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 Now do reverse namaskar. Make sure that, see, very important is for you to keep your knees straight. Both knees must be straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale, bring your chin forward. Move your chin forward. Chin forward. Don't bring your head down, chin forward. Keep looking at your toes. So, keep moving your chin forward. Chin forward. Chin forward. See, if you see, our chin வந்து முன்னுக்கு இருக்கு, not her head. See, 1, 2, inhale, exhale, move forward. 3, Revati sister, engage your kneecap, knee konjam bent. 4, 5. It's okay if your chin is not touching your knee yet, but keep moving forward. 6, Pushpalata sister, knee straight. Dina, very good. Good progress. Forward somehow. Forward somehow. 6, 7. Sugi sister, kaal inna konjam open பண்ணுங்க. 8. Now go lower. 9. 10. Inhale, come up. Okay, don't release your namaskar. Now left leg to the left. Right leg inwards. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go chin forward. Good. Keep bringing your chin forward. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punita, knee straight, Punita. Kilo knee. 4, okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Inhale, come up. Okay, release your namaskar. The next one we will do in lying down position. Okay, lie down. Okay, see first, see Karchini doing. Okay, now from this position, you will lift your right leg up. Okay, hold here. Let's say okay, then from here, engage, point your toes up. Keep pulling your leg close. Not even a bit, you should bend your knees. Of course, nammaloda final pose, you want to bring your leg as close as possible. But let's say for now, you are here, it's okay. But make sure that you are not bending your knees. And keep pressing the leg at the bottom. You keep pressing down. When you bend this, your leg will move behind, but the stretch is less. So, press this down, engage your knee here, and bring your leg behind. Okay? Okay. Let's say from here, I can move my hand towards my heel. Now, pull closer. When you hold your heel, you can pull even closer. But remember, engage your kneecap, make sure that your knee is straight. Okay, come, lie down. Okay, lift your right leg up. Okay, make sure that your knee is straight. Okay, hold your calf or at your heel or your ankle wherever possible. Now pull it close. The leg at the bottom, keep pressing it down. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, point your toes behind. 3, 4, sweet கால் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மேல கொண்டு போங்க. 5, higher above your knee. 6, yes, correct there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release, come down. Now the other leg, inhale up. Okay, exhale, bring it close to your chin. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. Now come up to kneeling down position. We will do Ardha Hanumanasana. Okay. Ardha Hanumanasana. Okay. Head pose. Bring your right leg forward. Okay. Straighten your knee. See, the moment when you do this itself, you will already feel the stretch. Okay. Then from here, make sure that you are not bending your knees. See, idallan which will help your for the flexibility of this part. Only when you engage and you press your leg down. For an example, for the asana that we did earlier, if you pull this up without bending your knee, it will help for flexibility at this part. They pull pan. Okay. Okay. Same goes to this asana. Okay. You will straighten your knee. Then walk your hands forward. Forward, forward. Then try to bring your chin forward as much as possible. Okay, and you will stay here. This asana is called Ardha Hanumanasana. Okay, come. Head pose. Right leg forward. Okay, walk your hands forward as much as possible. Make sure that your knee is not bent even a bit. Stay. 1. Go lower, lower, lower. Knee straight. 3. Hema, knee straight. 4. Let's say for now, I can't reach the floor. What I will do, I will place my hand, one hand on the floor, the other hand you can place on your leg also. Can. Like that. 5, 6, 7, bawah knee straight, ரொம்ப bent இருக்கு. No straight. 7, 8, 9, Devesh Roshni go lower. 10, walk your hands forward. 11, 12, Krishna go lower. 13, 14, 15. Switch leg. Okay, inhale. Okay, knees straight. Make sure that your knees are straight. Walk your hands forward. Go down. Stay. 1. Knee straight, knee bent இருக்கு பாருங்க. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் engage பண்ணுங்க. 2, 3, go down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. See, when you're doing all these, you will feel like you will have that, it's not pain, you will feel the stretch. That is when we know that we are still working on the hamstring or the flexibility now. Okay, so the next one that we are going to do, this is an asana. This is also a preparatory asana for the asanas that we are going to do later. Okay, the first asana that we are going to do is known as, okay, we will do one more preparatory asana. This is very good and something that you can do daily if you are working on the hamstring flexibility as well as to straighten your knee. You can do this. Go to the wall. இங்க வந்துருங்க கஷ்மி இப்படி காமிக்கிறேன். Okay, you will bring your leg up to the wall like that. Make sure, see, the most important thing here is to make sure that the knee, the knee on top of the, okay, the knee on top of the wall must be straight. Then from here, you walk your hands forward, forward, forward. Okay, let's say for now, I am yet to reach the wall. What I can do, I can be holding my feet also, my ankle also can. Inhale, exhale, move forward. Like that. Move forward, move forward, move forward. Okay, that's how we work on it. See, this one you do daily. If you're working on to straighten your leg, okay, we make it simple. If you're working on making your leg straight, you do this daily. But let's say every day you do with your knee bent. Knee bent, then forever your knee will be bent like this. So it's okay. There will be some pain, but very fast you will develop your flexibility. Okay, go to the wall or anything that you can place your leg on top. It's okay if the knee at the bottom is bent, it's okay. We are working on the leg on top. Okay, let's say for now, your toes are not touching the wall, it's okay. What is important is for your heel to be on the wall. Inhale, lift up. Okay. Okay, now move closer. Closer, closer, closer. Jila, knee, Shaki, knee straight, knee straight. So let's say now my leg is, let's say you are here, it's okay, but make sure that your knee is straight, then you move forward. Like that also can. Stay 2, inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, Nimita, move forward. Okay, now pull yourself closer. 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch leg, the other leg now. Left leg up, very good. Vaishnavi, good. Inhale, exhale, go down. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Nivashni knee straight, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Calm down. Okay, baiklah. So now we will start with the first asana. The first asana is Heron pose or Krauncha-asana. Okay, how do we do Krauncha-asana? We will see the actual asana, then I will give some modification for those who needs modification. Okay, how do we do this asana? Okay, stretch your legs forward. Okay, in the knee when you will bend. Okay, always remember toes must be pointed behind like this. If you bring your toes pointed sideways, this itself will make you go sideways. It will push you sideways. You will lose your balance. So toes pointed behind. This will stabilize your posture. Then sit up straight. Okay, bend your knee, hold your ankle. You will bend your knee, hold your ankle. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, bring your knee close to your chin. And you will look up at your toes like this. Okay, let's say for now, if I hold my heel, my knee will be bent. So what I will do, I will hold lower. Hold at the bottom. Wherever you are, bring your knee close to your chin. This is what you should do. You bring it close, then look at your toes. Let's say for now I am here, I will still keep moving forward and look at my toes. What I shouldn't do is I bend my knee bend pante, because I want to reach my chin must be touching my knee. I go forward and I do this. Is it correct? Not correct, right? So what is important here? Knee must be straight. Eventually, as we practice, chin will touch your knee. Do not worry. But what is important is to keep your knee engaged and straight. Engage. See, in the engaging action is very important. Don't let it loose like this. Engage, point your toes forward like that. This is letting it loose. Engage and point forward. Okay. Go. Krauncha asana. Okay, bend your knee. Okay, let's say for some of us, we may find bringing our toes behind is very hard. Okay, one thing that you can do, sometimes bend pannona, you feel like you are falling sideways, you lose your balance. What will you can do? You see, we have the flash here, you bring it out. So in the flash, when you lift your hip up, bring your flash out, then you try sitting down. Can you all see? If you are losing your balance, because you feel like, some of us, we will feel like we have a lot of flash here. This is moving me sideways. So what I will do, I will lift my hip up, move this out sideways. Then I'll bring myself in. Okay, this will help. Or let's say, even if you do this, you still, you find this very painful, what you can do, you can still do this. Okay, bend your knee, bring it inwards like this. Then you lift up. Okay, go. Okay, inhale, lift up. Bend your knee. You can either hold at your heel, at your ankle, but make sure it's above your knee. Okay, sit up straight, pull closer. Stay. 1, 2, Devani sister, good. 3, 4, Rajeshwari sister, very good. 5, 6, Sugi sister, sit up straight, don't bend your, sit up straight, correct. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, Dina, very good. 14, 15, come down, switch, the other leg now. Okay. Inhale, up. Stay. 1. Shamini sister, good. Ana pinnadi povadinga. Bring your body forward. 2. 3. Deepashini, sit up straight. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Deepashini closer. 11. Punita, very good. 12. 13, 14, 15. Please come down. Okay, we have two more asanas. The one we did earlier is in seated. The next asana we are going to do in standing, leg balancing asana. Then we will do one more in inversion, upside down. Okay, but don't worry, that asana is not going to be like headstand. It's going to be simple. Okay. Okay, Dandayamana Janu Sirsasana. See, this asana is known as Dandayamana Janu Sirsasana. Dandayamana stretching out. Janu Sirsasana, you are going close to the head of your knee. Which is head of your knee? This is the head of your knee. Janu Sirsasana, head of your knee. So you pull yourself close like this. So just like this now, you will hold here in standing position. Okay, good. So Dandayamana is stretching your leg out. Then bringing your chin close to the knee. You will, okay. Keep going forward like this. The knee at the bottom, maybe initial stage, it will be bent a bit. But as you go, it will be straight. This is a very beautiful asana. Okay, come up. Okay, let's say for now, let's say I am yet to hold my heel. What I will do, like just now, I will hold at my shin or at my ankle. Okay, stand up, balance your position first. Okay, bend your knee, hold wherever possible. Okay, now straighten up. Bring your chin close to your knee. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tila sister, very good. 8, 9, 10. Ashwini, very good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Deepashni, good. Okay, switch leg. Revati sister, good. Okay, see, you have to understand the concept of the asana is not to bend the knee that you are stretching out. Knee must be straight. It's okay if your chin is not touching the knee yet. Okay, now the other leg up. Stretch your leg forward. Bring your chin close to your knee. Stay 1. Revati sister, good progress. This is a very good progress. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dash me, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Calm down. Okay, bagus. Okay, so we have done one asana in standing, seated, another one in standing. So all these are asanas on its own. You can practice this separately after getting yourself warmed up. The last asana that we are going to do today is known as Urdhva Prasaridha Ekapadasana. Urdhvana upward. Prasaridhana expanding. Ekapadasana one leg pose. So you are going to expand and stretch one leg up. So the other leg, where will it be? One will be down on the floor. The other one will be pointed up. This is also known as standing split. Standing split வந்து ரெண்டு இருக்கு. One standing split is leg will be lifted up. Another one where you will be looking up. Another one standing split is you will be looking down. Leg will be stretched up. Faham? Understand? When we do, you will understand this better. Okay. Stand. Okay. See, all the models, they do not know what they are going to do. So they will just listen to what I say. Okay. So, inhale, bring both your hands up. exhale, go down. Then what you will do, this hand you will hold at your ankle. The other hand, the other leg, lift up. You will lift up, bring your chin close to your knee, like that. Okay. One hand will be holding this leg. The other hand will be down on the floor. Let's say for now, the name of this asana is Urdhva Prasarita Ekapadasana. Urdhvana upward, Prasaridana expanding, Ekapadasana one leg asana. So let's say for now, both my hands are not touching the floor. What I can do, one hand I will place here. Okay, lift the other leg up. The other hand I will also use to hold here. Then from here, bend your elbow, go lower as much as possible. Like that. Okay, that's how we work on this asana. Actual asana, let me show once again. Same. Okay, the leg which is down on the floor, your hand will hold from the side. The other leg which you are lifting up, you need to balance that part. See, one side your leg is down. The other side, there's nothing at the bottom which is supporting you. So you use your hand to support yourself. So your hand, the other hand will be at the side. Then you will, lift up. Okay, you will lift up as much as possible, leg as much as possible. Then pull yourself down. Like that. Okay. Okay, come, let's do together. Okay, stand up straight. Inhale, bring both your hands up. Okay, okay. Exhale, go down. Now, right hand will be holding your right ankle. Left hand, lift your left leg up first. Bend, lift. Okay, okay. Okay, now pull yourself lower. Deepanshini, correct what you're doing. Revati sister, good, good, very good. Vidya sister, very good, very good. Well done. Okay, pull yourself lower. Ashwini, go. Stay 1. Okay, you count 10 on your own, then you come down. I don't want to disturb you. Actually, everyone doing it correctly. Vaishnavi, good. Tila sister, correct. Sheila, good. Pushpalita sister, good. Dina, mele ulla knee straighten பண்ணுங்க. Okay, Nivashni, correct. Rajeshwari sister, correct. Punita, good. Very good, Punita. Prasad, good. Revani sister, go lower. Sugi sister, go lower. Lift the other leg higher. Good. Very good. Rajeshwari, good. Mimita, correct. Go. Lift. Go lower. Lower. Pull yourself inwards some more. Good. Manjula, correct. 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 Kartini, correct. Queen, no higher. Kala higher. Shiva, move it. Pull yourself inwards. Kala no kila kondu ponga Shiva. Inno. Very good. Very well done. See, you do it very nicely. Ragini, lower. Pull yourself lower. Bend your elbow. Pull yourself lower. Prabha sister, no ulla ponga. No. Menaka, higher. Higher. Kanimuli, very good. Yeah, let me show Kanimuli. Kanimuli, stay. Go lower, Kanimuli. No, kuncho chin knee ku kondu poirunga. Very good. Well done, well done. Nice. Okay, come up. Okay, now switch the other leg. Okay, the leg. Inhale, bring both your hands up. Exhale, go down. Okay, now hold the other leg. Okay. Lift your left leg up. Okay. Pull yourself close inwards. Bend your elbow. Pull yourself close. Stay 1, 2. Leela aunty, good. Nice. Nice. Very nice. 3. Gangeshwaran, good. Pull yourself lower. Yeah. Tala kila kondu ponga. Betul. Very good. 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale. Taranya, good. Susila sister, correct. Satya Priya, good. Parmil sister, saying good and Sundari, good. Siva Balan said, correct. Bhavani, good. Stay. Dineshwari, stay. Bhavani, pull yourself inwards. No, konja ulla. No, good. Monisha, no, higher. Pull yourself inwards. Amma was saying, Dineshwari, no, kila pono ninga. Kila ponga. Bhayapradinga, kila ponga. Okay, come up. Very well done. Bagus semua. Okay, release, relax, sit down. Okay, that's about it for today. See, all the asanas that you see, when you did all the preparatory asanas just now, the last asana that you did, for sure, actually all of you did it well. Later, if you watch the video, I can see all of you did it very well. It's just that for some of us, the balancing, why balancing is an issue? One is when your mind is not calm. Either you are scared to go lower or you are not engaging the knee at the bottom. When you engage, these will be straight. In the kila ulla leg irukla, when you do not engage, see this is loose. So you tend to lose your balance. Engage, straighten like this. You engage, you straighten this leg, then you slowly go lower, pull yourself closer, lift your leg up high. Okay, but actually most of you, all of you did the asana correctly. It's just that some of us, we were scared. But when I say pull yourself closer, go lower, actually you went all the way down. Okay. So you can practice this asana. This asana you can actually practice with wall also. So what you do, the leg that you lifted up just now, you go close to the wall, walk your hands in. So you can Kanimali saying wall order saying how do I practice this asana with wall? Okay. This is how you practice this asana with wall. Now walk your hands in. Knee வந்து இன்னும் straighten பண்ணுங்க Kanimali. மேல உள்ள knee. Let's stretch. You stretch the leg on top up. Walk your hands in. Then go down. No, okay, go down. Okay, this is how you practice this asana. Okay, if you're working on the hamstring or the flexibility, okay, thank you. Okay, dear, come down. Thank you. Okay, you can do this also. So later, once I post this video, if you are working on your hamstring, the flexibility, the knee panadila, every day you do this set of preparatory asanas. You don't have to even do the actual asana. Every day you do the preparatory asana, then you do a week, then you try back the Dandayamana Janu Sirsasana, Crouchasana and the standing split. You can see within a week, for sure you can see some progress. So every day you do this, you can gradually see all the progress. Okay. This was requested by Susila sister. She's in Sabah. If any of you have got any other asanas that you want me to teach, you let me know. Or we want to work on something next week. Monday we do back bending. Okay, Monday we will do back bending. If you have any other asanas that you want me to look into, you let me know. We can do together. Okay, that's about it for today. Namaskar everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a blessed weekend ahead. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Shamini sister, bye. Dashni, bye. Dipashni, Tila sister, take care. Bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Vaishnavi, bye. Take care. Vidya sister. Dina, you're doing well. So happy. Nivashni, good. Well done. Divini sister, bye. Prasad, you stay for a while, Prasad, stay for a while. Take care, you have sister, Silla sister. Have a blessed weekend. Kartini, take care. Bye. Bhuvaneswari, bye. we leave. Take care. Bye bye. துளசி பாய் துளசி. டேக் கேர் துளசி. அடுத்த வாரம் பார்க்கலாம் துளசி. பாய் பாய் பாய். லீலா ஆண்டி பாய். ஸ்டாப் தி ரெக்கார்ட்.